related to the reproductive health. In this video, we will be discussing about the population explosion. How the improved medical facilities have led to the population explosion in the world. In the last century, an all-round development in various fields significantly improved the quality of life of the people. So it had led to the improved lifestyle of the people. It had led to the population explosion. An all-round development in various fields significantly improved the quality of the life of the people. The increased health facilities along with better living conditions had an explosive impact on the growth of population. The world population, which was around 2 billion in 1900, in the year the population of the world was around 2 billion. But now if you see, the population of the world has rocketed to more than 6 billion by the year 2020. More than 6 billion. So how this growing population is affecting our life? The similar trend was observed in India also. Our population, which was approximately 350 million at the time of our independence, that is in the year around the year 1947, the population of India was around 350 millions. But now it has reached to 1.3 billion at the 2020. That means every sixth person in the world is an Indian. Now what are the causes for such population explosion? The various causes include the rapid decline in the death rate. Why there is a decline in the death rate? Because of the improved medical facilities. There is a rapid decline in the death rate, as well as there is less maternal mortality rate. There are less death of mother during the delivery or during the maternity, as well as infant mortality rate. This infant mortality rate, that is the rate of death of the newborn child, it has also reduced. So it has led to the growing population. We can term it as a population explosion. In previous video, I have told you about RCH. RCH stands for Reproductive and Child Healthcare Program. So through our RCH programs, though we could bring down the population growth rate, means there was created awareness about the bigger sized families. The government had created awareness that if the small family is there, they can have better lifestyle as compared to the bigger families. Still, the population of India is growing rapidly. According to the 2001 census report, the population growth rate was still around 1.7%. That is 17 per thousand per year. This is the population growth rate of India, 17 per thousand per year, a rate at which our population could double in 33 years. Means the population is growing at the explosive rate. Though population is getting double, the resources are the same. These are not getting double. So what is the solution? So government was forced to take up serious measures to check this population growth rate. The most important step to overcome this problem was to motivate the smaller families. You have heard about the hum do hamare do. What does it mean? It shows the importance of the smaller families. Hum do hamare do means parents but they were having big families. So there was scarcity of the resources because there were 8 to 10 kids in each family. Now compare your family with your grandparents' families. You are getting many more facilities as compared to your parents as well as grandparents. Why? Because of the small families. The term hum do, hamare do. Even in the metropolitan cities, even in the urban areas, the many families have adopted the one child norm or the single child policy. So it helps to concentrate on the education as well as the well-being of that single child only. So parents can give that child better lifestyle. Do you know in China was the most populous country in the world. So they have adopted the single child facility, the single child policy. Second child is banned. So it has helped to reduce the population of that country. Many couples, mostly the young urban working ones, have adopted the one child norm. The statutory regime of marriageable age of the female to 18 years. You know that in India, the marriageable age for the female is 18 years and for males it is 21 years. Before this act, there were child marriages which led to the bigger families. Incentives are given to the couples with small families. These are the most important measures. First measure was adopted by our country was changing the marriage age. For girls it was made 18 years, for boys 21 years. Then incentives were given to the couple with the small families. Even now also there are various schemes such as Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana. Then government gives incentives to the couple who have a single girl child. The birth of the girl child is encouraged. Even there are many doctors who don't charge any fee when the girl child borns in their hospital. So it helps to encourage the birth of the girl child as well as encourages the small family. It highlights the importance of hum do, hamare do. Now let us describe some of the commonly used contraceptive methods. To achieve this goal, hum do, hamare do, there are various contraceptive methods. Now this contraceptive method should be user friendly. The ideal, how could be the ideal contraceptive? Contraceptive means the technique which is used to control the birth. Ideal contraceptive. So what should be its features? It should be user friendly. Second feature is it should be easily available to the people with low price so that people can use it. It should be easily available. Third criteria is it should be effective and reversible. It should be effective in the birth control and it should be reversible. If any couple wants a baby after using this contraceptive, so it should be effective as well as reversible, and it should be with no or least side effects. These are the features of the ideal contraceptive. What is contraceptive? It is the technique used to control the birth. The contraceptive should be user friendly, easily available, it should be effective and reversible, it should have no or least side effect on the user. A wide range of contraceptive methods are presently available which could be broadly grouped into the following categories. The first category is natural or traditional contraceptives. The contraceptives into the following categories. The first is